there and welcome to Capptions. My name's Anya. First off, thanks for giving us a try. In this video, I'll just briefly explain to you how you can complete your first caption. So by now, you'll probably have received an email saying your Capptions account has been created, and if you click the login button, you'll be taken to a page where you can set your own password. So you're going to get that link and you're going to be able to set your own password, but I'm just going to show you mine to give you an example. So if I log in, this is the dashboard that you can see when you enter Capptions. So I'm just going to show you how to complete your first real caption. So if I hit the button in the bottom left right here that says go to the app. So when you open up the app, this is where you're going to end up. So to start your first caption, just press the red button, say new caption. Just to give an example, I'm going to run you through an equipment and machinery maintenance check. So let's click that one. It's going to open up the introduction page where you can add your own information when you build the template. So to fill it in, you just go through the questions as they are designed in the template. 2 sections here. Let's just pretend everything is safe. So once you go through, the app is going to give you a summary of the questions that you answered and how you did that. Now, once you're ready to turn this this caption into a PDF report, you just hit complete once again, and that's it. Now it's done. In about a minute, you're going to get an email notification saying that the report is available for you to view, and you can go ahead and share that with colleagues as you wish. All right, so that was my short explainer on how to do your first caption. I think you're ready to go and give it a try yourself.